how to steal some of the show song, how to ignore copyright law, la-di-dum bum 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 bum. Okay, hey, BOOZHOO! Welcome back to the show. Welcome back to BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and now please welcome my weenie Mushane. Oh, he's so cute. Please welcome Nana BOOZHOO. Take it away, sweetie.
Oh, hey everybody. BOOZHOO ni Anishinaabe Dug. Hello, my fellow Anishinaabe, and welcome back to the show. And today, what do you think, sweetie? What should be our Ojibwe word of the day?
Oh, I don't know. We haven't talked about it. That's so not like us.
Yeah, I know. We usually, have that meeting where we say, "Oh, today on the show we're gonna teach this one word." And now the sun's coming up and it's gonna screw up our lighting. All right, let's do that then. Today's Ojibwe word of the day. Mukaam, the sunrise. It's a beautiful sacred time of the day. In the Anishinaabe way, sunrise is very sacred. It is the time when, I don't know, make sure you put out your tobacco before the sun comes up. It's a good way to live. Yeah, Mukaam, sunrise. And this has been your Ojibwe word of the day. And there goes the fan. So let's count it. You wanna send us out, sweetie? Thanks for watching, you guys.
Well, there you have it, folks. Just want to say, miigwech, gana wabieg. Thank you for watching. What do we call it? BOOZHOO, Nana BOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. I am Natasha, and this is Nana BOOZHOO, and I will see you again. Gigawaba min, minawa, hawa. Oh, that was really good, sweetie.
Miigwech, weenie Mushane.